Hey guys, I just wanted to make this quick video. I'm getting a lot into AI. It's blowing me away. I'm sure that's the same with a lot of you too. Well, what I did was is on the website, and the links are always in the description. But any post that I make about AI, if you scroll down over here off to the right, you're going to see all the AI links that I've been using that are usable and pretty cool because you do find some AI links that are asking ridiculous amounts uh, to be a member, whatever. You can't even try it out. I'm leaving those off of there. And the ones that I don't find that are very useful or they have a huge learning curve, I think they belong in a tutorial. So I'll be doing tutorials on artificial intelligence for different ones of these, and then I'll link them in the tutorial. But the ones that are easy to use that you can actually just go to and start using, log in with your Google, Facebook, or Twitter or whatever, I'm going to leave those in the links right here on the right hand side. So you could go there and play around all you want. And in the future, I'm going to have tutorials on each one of them as well. I'm going to try to bang them out here within the next couple of weeks. So make sure you subscribe at a1websitepro.com, subscribe on YouTube. But there's sometimes that I make posts on A1 Website Pro that I don't make on YouTube. But anyway, I look forward to hearing from you. Please like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next video tutorial. Have a good one.